Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Yes, honey can indeed help reduce coughing. Studies have shown that honey acts as a natural cough suppressant, making it an effective remedy for soothing throat irritation. A spoonful of honey before bed can minimize the severity and frequency of coughing, particularly in children over 1 year old. However, it's crucial not to give honey to infants under 12 months due to the risk of botulism.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.